Hey, what's up guys? This is Art from untiltedmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And today I'm actually super excited because tomorrow I'm releasing my newest product called Secretly, a brand new course about making money online with a brand new affiliate platform and a brand new traffic source. And secondly, I'm doing a free giveaway today, which means that you can enter the giveaway and win a free copy of the course, okay? So firstly, I just wanted to tell you everything about the course, show you the sales page, the inside of the course, all of the upsells, and in the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can enter the free giveaway, okay? So as you can see, we are on the sales page right here. I'm not going to be going through all of it, but I just wanted to read the headline for you. It says, all traffic methods are not working the same anymore, sick of failing. Read on for details. Case study, how we built a list of 1,592 targeted leads for free using a new totally untapped free traffic source and made $100 to $250 per day in the process, and using it to make easy passive affiliate commissions daily. So Paula, my partner on this launch, actually came to me and he said, listen, I found this new traffic source and I'm using this brand new affiliate platform as well. So, you know, as you know, the problem with all the traffic methods and all these online systems to make money are that, first of all, most of them are outdated. Secondly, a lot of people are doing the same exact thing, which means that it's not as effective as it used to be. But with this course, you'll be using a brand new traffic source and a brand new affiliate platform, which, you know, from both sides, this just gives you an unfair advantage comparing to anyone else. You know, we include a case study. We include a ton of videos on how to monetize this traffic, not only on this affiliate platform, but other affiliate platforms with CPA marketing and everything else. So we really added a ton of value, and you will be able to take this, implement it, and essentially make money the same day or the next day. So this is what you will see on the sales page. I'm not going to go through all of it. Inside the course, you will see this. So as you can see, this is a video course. We have overview of the method, choosing best Warrior Plus methods, choosing the best cash network offers. This is the new affiliate platform, choosing the best CPA offers, choosing the best ClickBank offers. So as you can see, you can use this traffic source for anything really. High converting squeeze page, the secret traffic Goldmine. This is where we teach you how to generate the traffic, setting up your account, your first campaign, bonus CPA training, because this is easily applicable to CPA marketing as well. So we got all of these videos, and we actually include a squeeze page creator software as a part of this product, and also to our courses, how to get free traffic from YouTube and how to generate traffic with free traffic monster. So a ton of value. You're getting all of this for under 13 bucks and under 10 bucks with an early bird discount, but you can obviously enter the giveaway and win it for free. So this is the inside of the members area. Again, everything in a video over the shoulder format. You'll be able to go through it in less than an hour, then implement it and make money the same day or the next day. We will have a few one-time offers as well. So as you can see, the main product will be $13, $10 with the early bird discount. We have a first upsell for $27, and this is a pack of 7 case studies and advanced training. So in the case studies, we show you exactly how to generate money, and advanced training will allow you to generate even more traffic and even more income. The second one-time offer will be $37, and this is a done-for-you pack, which means that we give you the exact campaigns, not only for this method, but all the other methods. So you're getting done for you secretly campaigns, done for you CPA marketing campaigns, done for you email marketing campaigns, and also done for you images, done for you music, a ton of done for you stuff that will essentially save you a ton of time on the research and doing this stuff yourself. So that's a done for you package, 37 bucks. Third one-time offer, reseller's license for $67. A reseller's license actually allows you to sell this product and all the upsells and keep 100% of the profits. So, you know, normally, as you can see, affiliates get 50% commissions for promoting it, but if you got reseller's license, we are bumping you to 100% on all the products. So this is for someone that maybe wants to start their own product business, or if they're an affiliate marketer, etc. And the last one-time offer is $197, a little bit more expensive, but actually this is private coaching from us. So 6 live coaching calls with Paul, where he not only shows you all the money-making tips and tricks, but he also actually answers your questions directly. So this is coaching, very, very low price when it comes to coaching. Normally people pay thousands of dollars for coaching, but because this is made on a live call, 6 live calls actually, that's why it will be only $197 and only a part of this launch. You know, normally we charge between $500 and $1,000 for something like this. As a one-time offer to this launch, it will be only $197. So this is all the information that you need to know about Secretly. It goes live tomorrow on the 6th of February at 9 a.m. Eastern. Again, the early bird price is $10. After that, the price will be going up to $13. And if you would like to win it, enter the giveaway, all you have to do is go to my YouTube channel. So if you are watching this on my blog, click the link below, go to my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, like the video, and also leave a comment. So you have to do these 4 things: subscribe, click on the bell, like the video, and leave a comment. And I will be picking 10% of the people that will do that. So let's say we're gonna have 100 comments or 100 people that did all these 4 things. 10 people will win a free copy. So go ahead and do that right now. Obviously, if you are watching on YouTube, you can just, you get all the icons below this video. So again, like the video, subscribe, click on the bell, and leave a comment. And I will be announcing the winners 5 minutes before we will be going live. So that's tomorrow on the 6th of February at 8:55 a.m. Eastern. I will be announcing the winners on my blog. So, if you're on my email list, you will also get an email from me. And that's it. Okay, if you want to enter the giveaway, just follow the instructions. Go through the 4 steps. It will take you under a minute. And I hope you will win a free copy, okay? If you won't win a free copy, you can still pick it up with an early bird discount. $10 is literally a no-brainer because you can start making hundreds of dollars every single day with this, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm super excited for tomorrow. I hope you are too, and I will talk to you soon. Ciao!